Okay guys, it's test drive time. 1969 Chevy Corvette Convertible. This is a 4-speed with a 350. Custom paint job, as you could tell. It's wild looking. Looking under the hood. She's got power steering. Really clean under the hood. Just like the paint job. Detailed pictures, financing and shipping available, maplemotors.com. Go there, check it out. It's been raining off and on, so I'm going to leave the top on. It does have a soft top. This is a hard top on it currently. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Coming up, checking this interior out. That's wild. Looks pretty cool. Matches the paint scheme too. Buzzer works. Showing 62,000 miles on the dash. It's a 1969 model, guys. It's probably not 62,000 miles. We'll go ahead and start it up. It'll start up good. Little boot there is kind of motored up. Great oil pressure, water temperature. We'll watch it and see if it comes up. Clock's working. Tach working. Wipers, we might need them. Oh, the whole piece goes out. Does the wipers come up? The wiper arms are not coming up. So if it does rain, we might be out of luck there. Left turn signal, right turn signal, radio. Good deal. Radio's cutting on. Got my chamois just in case. The floors are awesome. We got these plastic inserts. I like it. Horn, place your bets. You think it works? Let's try it out. It does work. Good deal. Let's hit the road, see how it runs and drives. Alright guys, here we go. This is the first time that I've driven this ride. We're going to take off. Anything I see, you'll know about it. I actually knew the guy very well that owned this one, and he does nothing but upgrade his vehicle, so I know this is going to be a good test drive here. She's shifting out good. A little bit of a fade to the left. That could be the road though. No, it's straight. Tight steering. I mean, it's turning there and there. Getting in our brakes. Brakes feel fine. Back into our throttle here. Pops from the exhaust there. Speedo's working. Engine temperature's working. Oil pressure's great on this one. Gas gauge is working. A little bit of a stutter there. But she seems to be running pretty good, guys. Outside shots, light up the undercarriage, stick around, picking up the flaws is at the end. Chips, scratches, rust, and dents. You'll know everything about this car before you come to Maple Motors. That's why I do these videos. All right, I'll be back. back to the light. Cruising smooth. We got almost 60 pounds of oil pressure. I mean, it's showing dead on 60 there. Engine temperature 190. We are cruising along. Guys, we're going to be putting out about 3 test drive videos every day this week. Fighting the rain all the time. But we're just going to roll with the punches. Detailed pictures on my website, maplemotors.com. Go there, check it out. I hope you enjoyed this test drive. If you did, hit subscribe, help the channel out. We're slowly growing every day. And of course, I got that goal. I want to hit the goals, guys. With your help, I could do that. Please share these videos. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. I'll see you in a minute. Later, guys. Walk this ride. Anything I see, you'll know about it. I'm looking for chips, rust, scratches, dents, whatever. Let's go ahead and get started here. Run our front end. Little cracks in the paint here in the front. Chip there by your headlight. Cracks on top of the paint here. Tires look good. Wheels in good shape up and over your fender well. Chips on the edge of the door. Chips in the back. Scuff in the side here. All these little specks is metallic flake. At first I didn't think it was what it was. There's some bubbles here. down this side. Some touch-up marks there. Chip on top. Got a bubble right here too, popping up in the green. Got a crack back here, another little bubble. Already showed those chips. It never stops sprinkling. This whole week they're predicting rain every single day. So I'm gonna have to do all my test drives in the rain, and I'm sorry guys, I don't typically do that. But without them, you don't have the videos. Without the videos, 90% of the time, cars will sit around until we have the videos out. That's part of it. So I know all of the cars that I'm presenting this week have seen rain, and they have been driven in the rain before. So I'm not scared to take them out on the road. Just bring them back, get them cleaned up again. That's the worst part about it. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior, start it up, listen to that motor. Hopefully it don't start downpouring. Don't mind the sprinkle so much, keeps it cool, but the floors are awesome. The buzzer sucked. Got the hard plastic in here with the carpet inserts. Very cool. Push the clutch in. She's still warming up. I haven't drove it yet. We did the walk around first before we left here. Got my chamois in there in case I needed it. This ride. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. Detailed pictures, finance, and shipping is available on all of our cars. MapleMotors.com is where we update every Monday at 12 to watch a full lot walk inventory. Basically just showing all the new rides every Monday. Comes out first on YouTube. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.